In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by launching Devices Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Sound and Vibration. Now scroll again, and this time use those two switches. One next to Vibrate vocals to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations, and the second one next to Vibrate in silent mode to disable or enable haptic feedback when your device is on mute. When you finish, you can scroll again, this time to use this switch next to haptic feedback to turn off or switch on haptic feedback for gestures and system controls. If you decided to enable this one, you can also adjust intensity by operating this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!